Hey cooks, got some butter? Take 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and we're gonna show you how to make some soft, fluffy flavored rice, not that bland stuff. So go ahead and plop that butter in there and let's go ahead and move your feet and we're gonna let the butter just melt to the beat. Just playing, y'all. But this is how you get started. In your saucepan on a medium to high heat, melt your butter down. Then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in 1 cup of rice. You can add what you want. We're just making a small portion here, but if you want to double, triple the recipe, go ahead. We're gonna take our spoon, kind of like rice-a-roni. We want it to brown up just a little bit. As you can see, it's coated. It's got some flavor in it. So we're gonna stir this around one more time. Doesn't take much. Once your rice is lightly golden brown, we're gonna add in our water, chicken broth, and seasoning. We got it here. We're gonna go ahead and stir it all up together. You can use your spoon to break up the bouillon cubes. Now we use 2 bouillon cubes, but if you have the powder, we recommend reduce it down to 1 tablespoon. That stuff's more potent. We're gonna go ahead and pour this in, give it all a good stir. And this is our chicken broth. We use 3/4 cup of Simple Truth low sodium free range chicken broth. Here's all our seasonings. Not gonna name all this, but a little bit of parsley, some dash, and check out our website. We'll show you the rest. We've unlocked this recipe. Go ahead and pour that in, give this a stir, bring this to a nice boil. Should take no longer than 2 to 3 minutes, especially if you have it on a high heat. Once it's boiling, we're gonna cover this with our glass lid and we're just gonna let this simmer and let it cook down for about 15 to 20 minutes on low setting. Remember, the key is don't open the lid. All that steam is gonna make your rice nice and fluffy. You'll see in just a second.
Now y'all know we had to stir one more time. Feel free to use a spoon or fork to distribute all of those flavors and fluff that rice. Just look at how flavorful and fluffy that turned out. And it smells so much better than the store-bought version. Rice is a sure staple in the kitchen because it's a great base or side to many meals. And it's affordable, easy to whip up, nutritious, and delicious. Super great for meal planning, so for storage info, visit the recipe card on our site. And if y'all want more meal ideas for the family, or you're just hungry, make sure you subscribe and check out more flavorful ideas on our channel. Not ready to eat it just yet? Put that lid back on until you're ready. Otherwise, let's bowl, serve, and enjoy. And as always, thanks for cooking with B&T.